This is an observation of what happens in the rain on my window. What's interesting is in the area of the windshield that is swiped by the wiper blades, it beads up very strong, and I can't hardly see out the window unless I use the wiper blades. However, the areas are not covered, and I don't know the reason yet. They cause the water droplets to flow, to expand and provide a clear surface for looking out the window. Here's my side window that doesn't have any, whatever it is that's causing that the raindrops to beat up like that. I can look out the side window and it's clear enough to see down the street. Whereas this windshield, I gotta have the wipers on in order to make it visible. So every place where even at the top where the windshield blade doesn't hit, the rain is smooth at the where the wiper blade doesn't traverse the window. You know, on my side windows, both side windows, they're getting pelted with rain pretty heavy, but yet I can see out through them with no problem at all. So that sounds like an opportunity to come up with some kind of a solution to maybe something to apply to the window to cause it to shed off instead of beating up. I'm just going to let this go for a few more minutes. Let's see what's going on here. It's interesting how fast the water flows once it gets into the clear patch. We're up on the main part of the window. It's like it takes a certain amount of time for the raindrop to perpetuate down the path, or make a path all the way to the bottom. Whereas if the path is already there, it seems like along the edges, as soon as the water gets to the edge, it immediately just blasts right down to the much faster, shedding the water off the windshield. So anyway, that's what I'm observing watching this. The raindrops on the windshield. That's it. Have a good rainy day. Bye.